Good afternoon. This is Dr. Madhura from Satyukt Private Limited. Today I'll be talking about the pest attack on the maize crop. Why this pest attack? As we all know, one of the major reasons for the crop or the yield loss worldwide is because of the pest attack. According to the FAO, about 40% of the crop loss is because of the pest attack. As we know, the maize cropping season for the maize has been started, and maize is a crop of a global importance, which has a unique place in the agriculture world. It's important not only constrained to the human or animal feed, but also used in a cornstarch industries and corn oil productions. So it is important to know what is the major pest which attack the maize crop. The fall armyworm is a major pest which causes up to 30 to 40% of yield loss if the proper management is not being taken. What is this fall armyworm? The fall armyworm is an invasive species which attacks or creates a havoc on the commercial crops. The larva of the fall armyworm attacks almost 350 species of the plant, and also the economic crops such as sugarcane, rice, along with maize. Was this fall armyworm present in India? The answer is no, because the fall armyworm in India was first detected in Karnataka, Shimoga district in 2018 in the month of around May and June. Later on in a year, it spread to the other states of India. For example, it was first observed in Punjab in around 2019 in month of August. Next, why is it so important? So in a recent study, it showed that the fall armyworm can cause up to 8.3 to 20.6 million tons per year crop loss. So imagine the amount of loss where the fall armyworm is done. Now coming to the fall armyworm, it has its own favorable conditions. For example, temperature it's need about 10 to 30 degrees Celsius with a relative humidity about 60 to 90%. When we talk about the favorable condition, now we have to know what stage this fall armyworm attacks. It is at the early to the mid growth stage this fall armyworm attacks. Next, what is the symptoms? So actually, the farmer should know the particular symptoms to differentiate with the other pest attack. So when we look at this images, the figure 1 shows this is a healthy crop of the maize. The figure 2, we can see the pinhole symptoms on the leaf which are parallel to each other, and also the egg mass, like the scrapping of the leaf can also be seen. In the figure 3, we can see that the mature larva, is feeding on the leaves extensively, that too from the edge of the leaf. And figure 4 shows that there is a fecal pellet in the leaf whorl, showing that it is damaging the healthy leaves. Then figure 5 shows that the mature larva attacking the maize cob. So these are the symptoms which is specific for the fall armyworm. Now how does it spread? The adults are an active flyer. It flies about 100 kilometers in per night. So imagine how fast it can spread from plant to plant and from field to field. When we have to take the important measure or a management practice is when the field around when the nursery or the seedlings, when around 5% of the seedlings is being cut, or around 20% of the leaf whorl is being infected with the fall armyworm, then we have to carry out the management practice. At first spray should be around 5% of neem seed kernel extract, where we have to spray when we see a 5% of infection on the nursery or on the seedlings, sorry. So it is one of the major pests which has to be controlled at the initial stages, otherwise the infection can spread to the whole field, up to 100% of infection can be seen in the whole field. So to know more about this pest and disease attack, you can download the Satyukt mobile application through Google Play Store, where we provide pest and disease forewarning based on the weather forecast. Thank you.